Welcome to our training, Understand Your Amazon Selling Fees. The cost of selling in the Amazon store depends on your selling plan and product category, as well as other variables. It's important to understand these expenses so you can find the plan that works best for your business and goals. When you registered to sell in the Amazon store, you selected either a professional or individual selling plan. These plans give you the choice to pay per sale or stick to a flat monthly fee. Amazon selling partners who are subscribed to the individual selling plan pay a per fee item. This means they pay 10 Rand per item they sell, plus any other applicable fees. The individual selling plan might be right for your business if you're selling fewer than 40 units per month, deciding which products you'd like to sell, or not planning on advertising your products in the Amazon store, or using advanced selling tools such as reports. Amazon selling partners who are subscribed to the professional selling plan pay a monthly fee. This means they pay 400 Rand regardless of how many units they sell, plus any other applicable fees. The professional selling plan also unlocks a suite of tools and benefits. These include bulk listings, automated pricing, and advanced business reports, among others. This plan might be right for your business if you're selling more than 40 units per month, planning on advertising your products, wanting to qualify for top placement on product detail pages, intending to use advanced selling tools such as reports, or considering selling products in restricted categories. You can change your selling plan at any time on the Seller Account Information page in Seller Central. The next cost you'll encounter is a referral fee. For every item sold, you'll pay a percentage of the total price, including the item price, shipping cost, and any gift wrapping charges, or a minimum amount, whichever is greater. These percentages and minimums vary by product category. Let's review an example of referral fees. Imagine Nikki, an Amazon selling partner, is selling a book. She reviews the current referral fee for this product category, which is 14%. Nikki lists the book for 400 Rand and charges 70 Rand for delivery. She also offers optional gift wrapping for 50 Rand. A customer purchases the book with gift wrapping for a total price of 520 Rand. Nikki's costs will apply to this 520 Rand price. She multiplies this number by 14% to calculate her referral fee, which is 72.80 Rand excluding VAT. The Referral Fee Preview Report makes it easy to estimate referral fees for each of your product listings. To find this report, type Referral Fee Preview Report in the Seller Central search bar. We offer a number of other tools to help you estimate your costs. Start with the cost calculator to see a rough estimate of your per unit sales margin. Type in your product information, which includes your cost of goods per unit and the listing price, and select the product category and fulfillment method drop-down menus to choose your responses. We'll provide an estimate of your margin per sale and a breakdown of your costs. To use the cost calculator, visit sell.amazon.com/south-africa and scroll down to the How much does it cost to sell with Amazon section. We also offer a number of tools to review fees you've already paid. For example, if you have a professional selling account, you can use the Payments dashboard to review a detailed breakdown of fees you've paid on specific transactions and events. These expenses include core Amazon fees, which include referral and selling account fees. Fees associated with Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, such as the amount you pay to store inventory at a fulfillment center. Fees associated with advertising in the Amazon store, and other charges. Search Payments in the Seller Central search bar to learn more about payments reports and how to access the Payments dashboard. As you think about the full cost of selling in the Amazon store, consider the optional programs you'll use to help increase your sales. For example, you may pay additional fees if you'd like to advertise your products or use FBA to handle your logistics. To learn more about these optional programs and their fees, have a look at our help pages, Seller University content, or upcoming webinars. Now you have the tools to understand the fees associated with selling in the Amazon store. This concludes our training, Understand Your Amazon Selling Fees. Thank you and happy selling!